Hello guys, welcome. This is Video Production Avenue. This channel is all about educating you on video production using various softwares. So today this video is all about exporting video clips, and more so the difference that you need to know between exporting a video clip and audio recording. So here, this for this purpose of this tutorial, this is I have an audio narration that I've recorded using Camtasia 9, and so one thing you need to know that when dealing with exporting and audio narration or audio clip, it is not like a video, because there's some different options that it happens. You can going to go through, like when you go to the share icon here, you definitely have to export the local files, and then here you're able to see that there's mostly format that you're supposed to look at, and as per the dimension is concerned. So the format is like custom production settings. Here we look at the descriptions. All the product settings for the video options include the like format, the dimension of this, audio quality, and more. Include all the features in the timeline, such as the caption phrases and also must use continue on. Let's see, you can do the next, but sometimes here you can look at what do you want to do. So like for this one, we say let's say next, and then you look at what kind of format do you want it to be, and if it's in that way, then definitely you have to continue because it's mostly an audio kind of thing, so definitely there's nothing much there. So you just have to click next, and then we'll see that there is a kind of audio encoding, and definitely you will have to choose what kind of format you think will be preferred. But since we have the default of 190, then definitely you just have to continue. And sometimes also you have this an option also to take on what title you want it to be, and that's definitely we can say exporting audio voice narration using Camtasia 2019. You may have the option of taking it through the subsection, categories, date, which is automatically comes there, and as a format, and all the language which is there. You come to the time of source coverage and that kind of thing. So just click OK. Now here, the other issue is here, you have to just click next, but when you say this is exporting audio using Camtasia 2019. And then here you just have to here there's this kind of options here that you have to check. Here you can also browse the folder that you want maybe to see where you can store your thing if you want it in the local disk or anywhere. But now for this one is I'm using storing it at the desktop, so I already have in my folder selected, which is sample, and it's a new folder here. So then here says organize produce files into subfolders, so you can have them. But for this one, I just have to untick it and then say play after production. We also want to see how it is. Let's see how it goes. So here now the video here is rendering, and it depends on the size of the clip. So sometimes if yours is large, it will not go very fast, but this one is small. It's now done. So we'll see how it's going to be. So let's use this. You can use any. Let's use this kind of a media, and play for us. the audio. So welcome today. In this video I'm going to show you how you can export your video clips after doing all the necessary edition and exporting it using Camtasia 9. And please, this is Bulakon. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, because this channel is all about video production, simplifying the video editing production process for you. So please give me a big thumbs up, like and comment down below on how you feel about this video. And please, this is almost about it. Okay, you know, Camtasia is a very nice software that you can be able to use in a very moment. Okay guys, so this also the exported version of the video clips, and mostly after exporting it, always these things remains in your Camtasia dashboard and most of the timeline, so that if in case you need any kind of editing, you can be able to make it. And now also the same video I'm going to take you through how you can also export kind of a video clip, actually, because here today what I've just shown you now, it's exporting audio clip, but now this is a kind of a video record that I've just made as for the previous one. So I'm going to also to include it here in the timeline, and we're going to see the difference on how. Okay, the other audio that I had. And now, for the sake of this video and the time that it will take, let me just remove this in the timeline, since we already have the audio clip on top and it's a kind of a video here. So that's why now you see there's a lot of options that come in, but when we had this, there were no much kind of different kind of options that comes, because there's a way that this Camtasia has to be used as far as video clips is concerned. There are always kind of things like the keep framing, the voice, you can be able to reduce it, whatever you want to make, and all kind of necessary additions. So for the sake of this video, let's just go to our export button. So here, when it comes to exporting, now you have different options to select. Okay, if you're kind of person that want to select, okay, when you have this kind of a screencast where you can store your videos there and make kind of some other presentation, and here we have kind of a text make video review, and then other kind of things there. You can also add them there, and then this you can see the things then. But for this video, we don't want any kind of other review or share it direct to YouTube, but now we just have to export it to my local computer there. So with this, we have an option, and here we are going to find the difference here, because the other audio clip where we chose, there was kind of a different dimension that was used and that kind of thing, but now for this one we have a lot of options here, and that means that here you can be able to select what kind of dimension that you want to see that your video comes in. And now as for this video, and also the advancing kind of technology, and now people look at HD being a very nice kind of an export, the way you can make it. But for this video, we're looking at a smart MP4 with smart player. Now here the different versions and how you see what's up here. But for this video, let's use 1080p, and then we see how it goes. Let's select this. And as for 1080p, this is a very nice kind of format that you can use in exporting your video, because here it will be able to play in different platform, like maybe a screen, your phone, TV, all kind of things, and that's most what is recommended. And nowadays, as for the advancing technologies, how people, things keep on changing at any time. And then, so this is everything here. Let's continue. Now here you can be able to select how you want this video to be, or especially the name. You can say exporting video clip using Camtasia 9. Okay, I've already marked this, so then I so will put these files into the subfolders or what kind of thing, but it's already done. So what I just need to do is exporting. Okay, you just click finish. Says the following files will be overwritten to continue with this kind of thing. Okay, say it here. So now here is a video rendering, and it will take us some time. Since it's kind of a video clip, not the same as the audio. But you see, on the way it just took like only some seconds, but now this one will take us a little bit of time. Hi guys, welcome back. So now our video is already done with exporting, and here you can see it. And mostly when you export your video clips, it always appears, it comes on, it always appears in the web browser. That is the default of your computer. So, and then you can even play it direct to the web browser. Hello guys, welcome. So this video, and so even this you can also go to your about how to export your selected the folder. Like for this video, I'd stored it in sample, and let's go and click it there. Okay, say it. Okay, let's click here. So the name was exporting video clip, something about like 3 minutes. Okay, here it is, exporting using Camtasia 9. So mostly when you export your video, you have to see, there's some of those writings that comes up that's in the process, because it's connected to a browser. So there are those kind of effects that the website makes to your video, but you can even decide to delete them, and it can affect your video. Sometimes they give you kind of a thumbnail for your video also, but so that's how this video is concerned. Like for this, they have given us this thumbnail, so that maybe we can use it in the process of uploading in YouTube. So that's a good thing of this. So where you can just let's see how it looks as far this is concerned. But I think there's nothing much else remaining. So please, if you're new to subscribe again, please just do me that favor. Still give me a big thumbs up, because it will help me in ranking, to rank this video, to help also other people do the same. So please, this is how this video is concerned, and I'm going to see you in the next video.